Hello students, today we will discuss about the sum of n terms of a GP when r is greater than to 1, when r is less than to 1, and after it we discuss about the geometric mean. Okay, so geometric progression is the part of the chapter sequence and series. So now we start with sum of n terms of GP. Let first term of GP is equal to A. Common ratio of GP is equal to R. Then sum of n terms Sn equal to A r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1 if the common ratio is greater than to 1. So this is the formula for sum of n terms of a GP whose first term is A, common ratio is R, and common ratio is numerically greater than to 1. And sum of n terms again, sum of n terms Sn equal to A 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r if r common ratio numerically less than to 1. So if first term is given, common ratio is given, and the number of terms are given whose sum we want to form. So we want to find. So this is the formula for sum of n terms when r is greater than to 1, and this is the formula for the sum when r is less than to 1. If last term L is given, then formulas are Sn equal to RL minus A upon R minus 1 if R greater than to 1, and Sn equal to A minus RL upon 1 minus R if R less than to 1. So again, if last term is given, so these formulas can be formatted in the form Sn equal to RL minus A upon R minus 1, where R is the common ratio which is greater than to 1, L is the last term, minus A upon R minus 1. Similarly here, Sn equal to A minus RL upon 1 minus R, where R is numerically less than to 1. Now I am taking question based on sum of n terms. Find the sum of 10 terms of GP 2, 6, 18 and so on. So now first we find from the GP what is the first term. So A equal to 2. What is the common ratio? 6 upon 2, that means 3, and this is greater than to 1. Okay, the common ratio is numerically greater than to 1. So formula is Sn equal to A r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. But we want to find the sum of only n terms. So now apply S10 equal to A means 2, r means 3, whole power 10 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. Here A replaced by 2, R replaced by 3, N replaced by 10. So we have S10 equal to 2 upon 2 inside the bracket 3 to the power 10 minus 1. So now we have S10 equal to 3 to the power 10 minus 1. So this is the way of finding the sum of given terms of a given GP whenever the common ratio is greater than to 1. Now I am taking another question. Find the sum of 10 terms of GP 1 upon 2, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 18. So here first we select what is A here. So A equal to 1 upon 2, R equal to 1 upon 18 upon 1 upon 6 or 1 upon 6 upon 1 upon 2. So this is 1 upon 3, numerically less than to 1. So clearly R is equal to 1 upon 3 and which is less than to 1. Now apply the formula. When the common ratio is less than to 1, Sn equal to A 1 minus R to the power n upon 1 minus R. But here we want to find the, so here again n equal to 10 there. So S10 equal to A means 1 upon 2, inside the bracket 1 minus common ratio 1 upon 3 whole power 10 upon 1 minus 1 upon 3. Now simplify this. So S10 equal to 1 upon 2 in numerator and again in the denominator 3 minus, so 2 upon 3 here, 2 upon 3 inside the bracket 1 minus 1 upon 3 to the power 10. So this become S10 equal to 3 upon 4 outside the bracket and inside the bracket we have 3 to the power 10 minus 1 upon 3 to the power 10. Here in this GP 1 upon 2 is the first term. Common ratio we have to find 1 upon 18 upon 1 upon 6 or 1 upon 6 upon 1 upon 2. This is 1 upon 3. There are two ways. We check that this is the GP confirmly and what is the common ratio here. So 1 upon 3 is less than to 1 and n equal to 10. Apply the formula when common ratio is less than to 1. So A 1 minus Rn 1 minus R S10 equal to 1 upon 2. Put the values and find the sum of. So here 1 upon 2 there 3 minus 1, but that means 2 upon 3 after inverse. This become 3 upon 4, 1 minus after LCM 310 minus 1 upon 3 to the power n. So this is the sum of n terms. One important thing is there. If first term of GP is equal to A and common ratio of GP is equal to 1. We have two formulas, one for R greater than to 1, second for R less than to 1. But what become when R equal to 1? Then sum of Sn, sum of n terms of GP become A into n. Okay? Sum of GP become, because the common ratio is 1. For example 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 up to n terms. So here 2, 2, 2, 2, A equal to 2, R equal to 1 and 2 repeat n times. So Sn become 2 into n. So if the common ratio is equal to 1, so formula is become n into A. Okay, this formula valid for whenever the value of R is 1. Now I am taking some more questions which are looking as GP but not in GP. So how can we find the sum of these type of geometrical series sum? The question is, I am taking a GP, I am taking a question. The terms are looking as a GP but the terms are not in GP. Find the sum of 3 up to n terms. This is looking just like as GP, but this is not a GP because 33 divided by 3, so we get 11. But if 333 divided by 33, we don't have 11. So this is not GP. This is not GP. How can we find the sum of these type of series? So first we convert this sequence in GP, and after it we find that the sum of n terms. So what is the process for this type of questions? First, take the numerical value 3 common. So Sn equal to 3 is common, so this become 1 plus 1 plus 11 plus triple 1 plus 4 times 1 up to n terms. Take common 3 from all the terms. Next term, in next term, Sn equal to multiply by 9 and divide by 9. So here this become 9 plus 99 plus triple 9 plus 4 times 9 up to n terms. Up to n terms. Here we multiply by 9 inside the bracket and divide by 9 outside the bracket. Now again, Sn equal to this become 1 upon 3. Inside the bracket terms can be written as 10 minus 1, 100 minus 1, 1000 minus 1, 10,000 minus 1 up to n terms. Up to n terms. Up to this term, this is not a GP, but now we are in process to converting in GP. Sn equal to 1 upon 3. Inside the bracket, the terms which are first in the bracket take together. So this 2, 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus 10,000, how many times? Up to n terms. Up to n terms, and minus secondary term 1, 1, 1, 1 from each bracket, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms here in second bracket. Next, Sn equal to 1 upon 3. Here, now this is in GP. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Clearly, first term is 10 and common ratio again 100 upon 10 is 10. So we apply the formula sum of n terms 10. 10 to the power n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1. Minus here 1, 1, 1 repeated n times. So this become only n. Sum of n terms. After simplify, we have 1 upon 3 is there. 1 upon 3 inside the bracket 10 upon 9. 10 upon 9 inside the bracket 10 n minus 1 minus n. So this is the sum of n terms of this sequence, which is not AP, but first we convert this sequence in GP and finally you can find the sum of the n terms of this GP. Now I am taking one more question from this type of variety. Find the sum of 0.4, 0.44, 0.444, 0.4 times 4 up to n terms. This is again not in GP. So first we convert the sequence in GP and after it we find the sum of n terms. So here we want to find the sum of n terms. Okay, so indicated by Sn equal to 0.4, 0.44, 0.444, 0.4444 up to n terms. Up to n terms. Now take common. Sn equal to, now take common 4 only. So here we have 0.1, 0.11, 0.111, 0.1111 up to n terms. up to n terms. First, write the sequence is equal to Sn because we want to find the sum of n terms. Now take 4 common. Don't take 0.4 common, otherwise you have to problem in select the and set the terms inside the bracket. Sn equal to 4, so inside the bracket we have 0.1, 0.11, 0.111, 0.4 times 1 and up to n terms. Now remove the decimal here, so 1 upon 10, 11 upon 100, 111 upon 1000, 4 times 1 upon 10,000 and up to n terms. Now Sn equal to multiply and divide by 9. So this become 9 upon 10, 9 upon 100, 99 upon 100, 999 upon 1000, 4 times 9 upon 10,000 up to n terms. Till now this is not a GP, but we are in the process of converting in GP. Sn equal to 4 upon 9, there is no change. Inside the bracket 9 upon 10 can be written as 1 minus 1 upon 10. 99 upon 100 can be written as 1 minus 1 upon 100. 1 minus 1 upon 1000. 1 minus 1 upon 10,000 up to n terms. Now select the term, put together 4 upon n. In first bracket 1 1 1 from the each bracket, so we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms. Minus in second bracket 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100, 1 upon 1000, now up to n terms. Now both the bracket have the GP. First bracket in which the first term is 1 and common ratio is 1, and second first term is 1 upon 10 and common ratio is again 1 upon 10. So now this can be written as Sn equal to 4 upon 9. This become n minus, apply the formula, sum of n terms, 1 upon 10 inside the bracket 1 minus 1 upon 10 whole power n upon 1 minus 1 upon 10. Here apply the curly bracket. So now Sn equal to 4 upon 9 inside the bracket n, here 1 upon 10 and 9 upon 10, so become only 1 upon 9 and inside the bracket 1 minus 1 upon 10 to the power n. And so this is the sum of n terms of the sequence which is given in the form 0.4, 0.44. So if the sequence is given in the decimal form, so we convert this way, and the without decimal, so in the previous question how can we solve this type of questions. So these are two different variety in the geometric progression which are looking just like as GP but not in GP.